right, so vlogs are back. It's been a minute. It's my week. I thought my week was going to be different, and now it has completely changed for the most part. So today is Wednesday, as I probably already showed. On Monday, my dad and I were setting up the Harvest Fest. They're out at Easy Orchards this for Harvest Fest. It goes from this coming weekend until October. And so my dad and I did that Monday, and then yesterday, surprise, my dad had a heart attack. And so he is laid up at the moment. He's going to be fine. We'll know more this afternoon how it's going to go, but he should be out tomorrow. Worst case scenario, he's there for like another week or something. I don't know. He'll be fine. But anyway, he is obviously laid up for a couple weeks while he has whatever operation and then recovery from that. So kind of his responsibilities, unfortunately, now fall onto all of us. So I am heading back to Easy Orchard, and I'm gonna finish getting everything set up. I'm kind of the only one that kind of knows what to do, where stuff goes, how to set this stuff up. So I'm heading there to do that. And then tomorrow we have a bovine food truck event. Friday, we have another bovine food truck event, and I have to finalize setup for Harvest Fest. And then Saturday, likely I will be out at Harvest Fest for the most part all day, and then probably a little bit on Sunday as well. My week has kind of changed. I was just expecting to kind of have those two food truck events, but is what it is. Now we're into Harvest Fest, so we're going to head there now and get that all set up. It's a crazy week, a big week. A lot of stuff was already supposed to be going on, and now it happens. So now there's even more. So we're working with it, doing our best to keep going and stay motivated and keep working hard. So it's gonna be a big week. We'll see how it goes. So for the most part, I've got just about everything set up. So I need to run to Home Depot and grab some stuff, some little things to make it a little bit better. And then we'll be done here for the day. Then we'll be back Friday morning to clean and get all our food in and everything. Nice. I don't think I filmed anything yesterday. It ended up being a super busy day for me. I started the morning out at Easy Orchards. We had a guy installing a propane tank for all the equipment, and he asked me to be out there at 7 a.m. So started the morning pretty early. And then we had a food truck event that ended up being a catering. So difference between an event and a catering is an event guests pay individually, and a catering one person pays. And so when one person pays, you tend to sell a lot more product because when you're not paying for food, you tend to order more, and more people order. So it ended up being a much busier event for us. Really good event, but kind of caught us off guard, so we had to scramble to make it happen. And then I did like a half of a shift at South Bovine later that night. So starting today, getting Easy Orchards, Harvest Fest all buttoned up and ready to go. So I got to fix a piece of equipment, get all our food and like utensils and that kind of stuff set up so that tomorrow we can just go and basically start heating stuff up and be ready to sell. And then tonight we have another food truck event. We're doing South Salem High School football game. So pretty cool. We haven't done any high school football games yet, so kind of excited to get started doing those. And South Salem is where I went to high school, so pretty cool to be back on my home field serving food. So that'll be awesome. We'll see what happens the rest of the week. Sunday is my dad's birthday party, so hopefully he's getting out of the hospital today, and then on Sunday we will all head out to the farm and celebrate his birthday that he almost didn't hit. So should be fun. Busy week, a lot of stuff going on. It's been a crazy time of my life. All of a sudden, September always seems to catch us off guard. It's always wild. Don't know what's going on. So, yeah. We do 4 cups of raw popcorn, 4 cups of white sugar. 4? 8. 8 corn. 8 corn, 4 sugar. Yeah, the weight room is right over there. I did weights my whole last year. Yeah, it smells like rubber. this of me cooking, I had a bunch of people comment. They were upset that I wasn't wearing gloves and upset that I was whistling.
What? That's like my favorite part about you.
They're like, way to whistle and spit all over the food.
No, you have a nice whistle.
I think I responded with I'm a very dry mouth. I'm a dry whistler. I'm a dry whistler.
Like those.
after you've been through what we've been through, someone complaining about me not wearing gloves or whistling is no big deal. As long as they don't call me a Nazi or a white supremacist. They'll piss me off. Yeah. I wash my hands and gloves aren't required in my county, so I'm dealing with it. I'm in the real world. Welcome to the real world. You know how much gloves cost? Take them off. I was serious. So I'm currently on my back patio editing this week's vlog, and I realized that I didn't give like an update of the end of the week. So we ended Friday night at South Salem High School and got shut down and everything. I ended up getting home about 11 o'clock. Wasn't feeling super good. Then the next morning I woke up feeling really sick. Still ended up going and helping at Harvest Fest on Saturday, but I left pretty early in the day and just felt sick all night. Woke up Sunday morning feeling even worse, and then unfortunately I had to go into work at Bovine later that afternoon. So I missed my dad's birthday party. He's doing good. He's out of the hospital. He's taking it easy for the next couple of weeks, but he is on the road recovery, feeling better. So he's doing good. Just thought I'd give an update on the end of the week. But that's it for this week. We'll see you next week. Bye, guys.